my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing a tackle your to-do list, and I have so much on my to-do list, it's not even funny. So I hope that this video gives you tons of cleaning motivation. Let's jump right in. So of course, in order to tackle my to-do list, I need to first go ahead and make my to-do list. So I would love for you to make a quick to-do list with me so that you can go ahead and tackle it along with me today. We are starting off first thing in the upstairs bathroom. Stay tuned, you guys. We are tackling almost every room in my house today. This took me all day to film, and I'm really excited to give you lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation in today's video. So let's go ahead and jump right in together. How I made those little beach glass jars. I have a DIY dollar store reel over on my Instagram, so make sure that you're following me over there. I do a lot of reels and just kind of more like day to day. I feel like it's a little bit more intimate. You get to just kind of know my personality a little bit more, so I would love for you to go follow me over there and say hi in the comments as well if you are new here. I love getting to know my subscribers, and I would love to know if you are new. So after finishing cleaning up the bathroom here, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the toilet. It helps it to smell really fresh. I love these things. And then we're gonna do a little bit of editing magic here as we have lots to do. So going ahead and cleaning the dining room before moving on to the next task on my to-do list.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because
So we are moving along our to-do list and going ahead and cleaning and organizing our fridge. Wait until you see the before and after, you guys. It was incredible. I had so much to do in our fridge. As you can see, it is quite small. I am used to a double door fridge and I still have not gotten used to this. So let's go ahead and get everything out that needs to be thrown out. Then we're gonna get into the cleaning and organizing. I did do a full clean and organize for my fridge. If you want to see a more in-depth of it, go ahead and check that video out.
life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless.
So I am gonna go ahead and throw this out. This is like a simple syrup sugar recipe that I made for my iced coffees, and it was horrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump that. And I know I need to fix my nails. I will soon.
I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. Thinking about the way that you know me.
So I am going ahead using the Go Clean Co method to wipe down my fridge. I love using this method. You will see I will use it throughout the video here, but it is just really, really good and easy for cleaning messes up really quickly. So I'm working on one shelf at a time here, and then I go in and organize it after. But I really wanted to get it clean first. Wait till you see it. There is a real life mess coming up here. And I just want you to know, I don't always enjoy sharing those messes, as I feel like it's like kind of really dirty, but I do also like to be totally real with you guys. And so I hope you guys can find joy in me sharing that, just knowing that it's okay to have real life messes and we're human. And yeah, so just wanted that to be a little reminder that you're still doing an amazing job.
So fly, you got me like. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. I
hope that you guys enjoyed those before and after shots of the fridge. Now I'm just going ahead and wiping the outside of my fridge, as it had been a while since I have done that.
History, but I don't want to think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time?
And I also wanted to share that I don't clean my fridge, like the inside of it, like that often. Since I did my little organization in my fridge, I have those little containers as you saw, and I usually just take those out and clean them, as that's usually what only gets dirty. But something had spilled in my fridge, so that's why I needed to give it a good wipe down. We are moving on to the basement, so let's go ahead downstairs and get this bathroom clean.
Keep it cool with you, I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Okay, so now we are going ahead and vacuuming the basement. So I actually vacuumed the basement the night prior to this. I did a deep clean and I sprinkled the carpet with this stuff here. I will insert a little photo. And I always like to do 2 vacuums when I use that stuff, as sometimes I find the first vacuum doesn't pick up as much. So I'm gonna insert a little clip here. Look at this. It was disgusting, you guys. That is dirt, dog hair, all the things that came from the carpet the previous night. and I just wanted to share that with you. Again, another real life mess. And then you'll notice the second time around here, the canister was not as full. But again, I just like to give it a second vacuum to make sure that everything is all cleaned and picked up. So we are just moving upstairs, and we are just gonna tackle some daily cleaning tasks here and get the kitchen all clean and tidied up. And if you are still here watching, I would love for you to leave me a little soap emoji in the comments. I truly, truly appreciate it so much. You are the real MVP. And just know, again, I appreciate you so, so much. And if you haven't already, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. Alright you guys, next is to tackle the kitchen floor. It needs to be done so bad. I'm going to show you pieces of the floor, as sometimes I find it's hard to tell what I'm cleaning. So here's a close-up of the floor. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum the kitchen as well as mop using the Go Clean Co method. So I'm just gonna show you a little editing magic here and get this space all cleaned up before moving on to some laundry motivation. So go ahead, grab a load of laundry and let's get folding together.
Oh, no. this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is
Alright
you.
everybody, it is really late. I gotta get supper going here, but I'm gonna end the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and you got something done on your to-do list today. If you ended up tackling something, I would love to know what it was in the comments while you watched today's video. Let me know. Not gonna lie, I am a little bit shocked that I completed my entire to-do list, as normally I don't have the time to tackle it all. And I even threw in a couple extra things thinking that I wouldn't have done it, but we had an insanely productive day today and I hope that you did too. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already to join our growing YouTube family, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm weak for you.